Hey, my name is Yamiz. I'm a community partner of FinTech Connector here in New York City. And the way that I met everyone here at FinTech Connector, Angel, Mary, Eric, and John, was through connections that I had in China with two community partners named John Patrick Mullen and Roald Munez. And through them, I was able to meet Mary, who invited me to my first event here in New York City at Rabobank with FinTech Connector. Through that, I got to have the experiences of developing the community here in New York, localizing everyone that want to be involved in FinTech, whether they were an innovator or enabler. These people were coming together, signing up to our platform at fintechconnector.com, connecting, collaborating, and cultivating their businesses in order to provide a better value for their own futures and for everyone else's future as well. Thank you. That's my story.